Hello, this is Patricia Oglesby, Ella's teacher, and it is great to virtually meet you. I'm looking forward to meeting you in person. I received a student profile for Ella, and I'm looking at her math scores. They look fantastic. She's doing a great job. You can see here on the screen, her score is very good. She shows lots of growth. She's above most of her peers. That's great. And so, moving on down through the profile, we see some areas that she's ready to develop skills in. And so, I've chosen some out of this numbers and operations category. This one is actually a second grade skill. I'm guessing she probably knows how to do this, and this is just kind of one of those fluky things that happens when you take tests. But I think what I'd like to do is, when we do meet, I'm going to bring some money, some bills, and some coins, and we're going to just play around with all kinds of ways to combine coins and count change back and figure out different dollar amounts and what kinds of coins do we need to use this, how many ways can we represent this amount, those kinds of things, just so that I can make sure that that is what that's about. There are a couple of other skills down here that involve money and adding and subtracting decimals and fractions and things like that and real world problems. And so, since I'll be there with the money, I thought we would also practice with some sort of shopping list, maybe a Christmas list or a grocery list or a birthday list or some sort of list that we can go online and play around with and add it up and divide it and develop a budget and what do we have to remove and how do we cut that in half and what if we only had a third and what if so-and-so was paying for a fourth, and play around with those kinds of things just so that I can see where she is with those sorts of things. I have a feeling that she will do really well with those things, and so after that I'd like to talk with her about how she feels about math and how it's going and what she'd like to learn or where she thinks she's struggling, what's hard for her, what's easy for her, and then move on from there. As far as assessment goes, when we're done with playing with the bills and stuff, I'll have her count some change back to me and see how well she does that, and then I'll come up with some word problems related to how the things that we've done with the shopping lists and see how well she can work with those. We'll be adding and subtracting decimals and fractions and then also multiplying and dividing with some of those things too. And so that's my plan. And so I can't wait to meet you guys. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I will be seeing you soon. Thank you.